All right, we are here. We have made it to the convent, even though there's a lot of construction everywhere. Of course, I don't have my selfie stick or my new little microphones, but I figured I'd just kind of walk around the grounds with you while we are waiting. Um, Ariel, who will be letting us in. But yeah, so this is the convent behind us. You can see the chapel is over there, where my husband is kind of sitting in the vehicle waiting. There's the other side over there. Um, this was a elementary school for a while as well, after it was a convent. And yeah, it's been sitting empty for quite some time now, as you can see, which is why you have to get permission to get access. Kind of in the middle of nowhere on the side of Gravelburg. There's our B&B over there. We'll be staying later in the church. Yeah, excited to get started. See you. Bye.